Are you ready to explore the birthplace of Beethoven, wander through enchanting gardens, and marvel at the picturesque Rhine River? Here are the best things to do in Bonn, Germany. Number 12. Beethoven House. If you're a music enthusiast or appreciate cultural experiences, Beethoven House is the perfect place to be. This memorial site, dedicated to Bronn's famous son, Ludwig van Beethoven, offers an extraordinary collection of artifacts. As you wander through this renowned music museum, you'll be transported to the world of Beethoven, surrounded by the essence of his genius. Discover original manuscripts and personal belongings, and dive into interactive exhibitions that explore Beethoven's creative process. Gain a profound understanding of his remarkable contributions to music history as you explore each exhibit. Number 11. Drakensberg Castle. Explore the Drakensberg Castle, the enchanting Gothic-style castle nestled in the beautiful Siebengebirge Park. Often referred to as Dragon Castle, this architectural marvel offers stunning views of its picturesque surroundings. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. As you wander through its impressive rooms, adorned with intricate woodwork, elaborate frescoes, and decorative tiles, you'll feel as you've traveled back in time. Just imagine the grandeur and elegance that royalty once enjoyed here. And don't forget to take a leisurely stroll through the meticulously manicured gardens, where every step reveals a new hidden beauty. It's the perfect place to unwind, snap breathtaking photos, and create unforgettable memories. Number 10. Bonn Old Town Hall. Discover the charm of the exquisite Old Town Hall, a true architectural masterpiece. This magnificent building, which has served as the seat of local government since the 18th century, exudes timeless elegance with its pristine pink and gold Rococo design. Located in the vibrant market square, this bustling area offers more than just a glimpse into history. Take a leisurely stroll through the food markets, soak in the lively atmosphere, and indulge in local delicacies. While you're there, take your time to learn about the rich history of this place, where the past seamlessly blends with the present. Number 9. Bonn Minster. Located right in the heart of Bonn City, the Bonn Minster is a real treat when you're exploring this charming city. This Roman Catholic church is actually one of the oldest in Germany, and it's been standing tall for centuries, since it was built between the 11th and 13th centuries. Now, picture this. You're standing in front of the Bonn Minster, and you can't help but appreciate its grandeur. The towering spires seem to stretch endlessly towards the sky, leaving you feeling small in comparison. And when you step inside, prepare to be blown away by the intricate details. The stained glass windows alone will transport you to another time, telling stories from the Bible in vibrant colors. And even if you're not the religious type, the Bonn Minster still has something to offer. Its historical significance and architectural beauty make it perfect for anyone with an appreciation for art and history. Number 8. Poppelsdorf Palace. If you're in Bonn, don't forget to pay a visit to the incredible Poppelsdorf Palace. This place is a true architectural gem from the 18th century that you won't want to miss. It's like stepping back in time. Once you're there, take your time to wander through the palace's corridors and soak in the rich history. The attention to detail is just mind-blowing. And guess what? They also organize some amazing cultural events all year round. From art exhibitions to live concerts, there's always something cool happening at Poppelsdorf Palace. Number 7. Rhine River Cruise. Are you ready for an incredible adventure? Then hop aboard a scenic Rhine River cruise and prepare to be amazed. This is no ordinary trip. The Rhine River is famous for its jaw-dropping views of castles and vineyards that will leave you breathless. As you sail from Bonn, make sure to carve out some time to explore iconic German cities like Cologne and Koblenz. You don't want to miss the chance to soak up their fascinating history or browse through traditional markets. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Bonn experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 6. Museum Kunstmuseum. Are you passionate about natural history and animals? Then you simply can't miss out on Museum Kunstmuseum. This renowned museum has been wowing visitors since it first opened its doors in 1934. Prepare to be intrigued as you explore the vast and fascinating collection that awaits you. From fierce tigers to tarantulas, Museum Kunstmuseum has it all. But what truly sets this museum apart is its unique approach in showcasing these incredible creatures. Instead of confining them to cages or enclosures, the museum highlights their natural habitats, providing a truly immersive experience. Number 5. Aritmium. Located in downtown Bonn, The Eurythmium is an ideal destination for math enthusiasts of all levels. With the most extensive collection of historical calculating machines in the world, this small museum is a treasure trove of mathematical history. Whether you're a seasoned mathematician or just discovering your love for calculus, the exhibits at the Eurythmium will captivate you. Witnessing the mechanical calculations taking place through turning wheels will pique the curiosity of those interested in mechanics. As you explore this one-of-a-kind museum, you'll be inspired by the ingenious solutions humans have devised to conquer mathematical challenges throughout the ages. Number 4. Cherry blossoms at Heerstraße Avenue. Springtime in Bonn is a magical affair, drawing people from near and far to witness the astonishing beauty of Heerstraße Avenue adorned with cherry blossoms. The air is filled with a sweet floral fragrance as these delicate pink and white petals create a stunning canopy overhead. Late March to early April is a prime time to visit when the cherry trees are in full bloom. Be part of the enchantment by joining one of the leisurely walking tours offered, where you can soak in the picturesque scenery while learning about the avenue's alluring history. Number 3. Bonn Botanical Garden. The Botanical Garden is a haven for nature enthusiasts and horticultural admirers alike. Spanning 32 acres, this lush sanctuary showcases an astounding array of over 11,000 plant species from across the globe. As you explore the expansive outdoor area, indulge in tranquil walks amidst amazing scenery adorned with vibrant blooms like the enchanting cherry blossoms that grace the garden in spring. Beyond its natural splendor, the Botanical Garden also offers insight into vital conservation initiatives aimed at safeguarding biodiversity. Number 2. Bonn's Museum Mile. If you're ever in Bonn, make sure to check out the incredible Museum Mile. It's a treasure trove of museums with more than 20 waiting to be explored. This place is a magnet for visitors from all over. One museum you can't miss is the Museum of Contemporary History of the Federal Republic of Germany. It's like stepping into a time machine, showcasing the country's history since 1945. And if you're into art, the Bonn Art Museum is a must-visit. They've got an impressive collection of regional art by talented Rhenish artists. Number 1. Eitat-Saal. Located by the stunning Rhine River in Bonn, Germany, Eitat-Saal is a must-visit historical site. This former city defense from 1644 offers breathtaking scenery and sightseeing opportunities for visitors exploring Bonn. As you explore this historic landmark, be sure to take in the surrounding views and snap some pictures to cherish forever. Eitat-Saal is featured in several travel guides and articles about things to do in Bonn, indicating its popularity among tourists. Click here for more things to do in Germany.